टकीला भाई वापस आ चुके हैं अपना स्टील बॉल रन चैप्टर 24 लेके। रेडी हो जाओ मेरी स्टील बॉल्स को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए। और भैंस की आंख। अच्छा, मुझे लगा सबके सब जायरो जेपली है क्योंकि उसकी जैसी वो पहन रखी है ना लिपस्टिक और कपड़े वगैरह पर सब अलग लोग हैं। चलो कोई नहीं। नाइस कवर। इंटरमिशन। इंटरलूड पीस। चैप्टर में ब्रेक मिल रहा है हमको। आह, तो ये जा रहे हैं और जायरो का पैर एकदम गंदी तरह से फटा हुआ है ब्लास्ट की वजह से। टू बिगिन the history of homeland of our main character Jairo Zepli, the kingdom of Naples, Italian peninsula, Mediterranean Sea, ये Mediterranean है, ये Italian peninsula है, is located on the Italian peninsula, founded in the year 1302 AD. The name of the present king is Delovo III. The population is approximately 788,000. तो 1 मिलियन से भी कम लोग रहते हैं इसके किंगडम में। तो ये इटली की तरफ से नहीं है, ये बस छोटा सा नाप्लिस के किंगडम की तरफ से है। द लैंड मास इज 800 क्यूबिक किलोमीटर्स। क्यूबिक किलोमीटर्स? किलोमीटर स्क्वायर नहीं होगा? क्यूबिक मतलब तो वॉल्यूम हो गया। दो इट इज पॉलिटिकली न्यूट्रल, it was a country founded to provide military protection for the Vatican, the center of Christianity. It is a country with many enemies, even though it had been approved in Italy's unification in 1870. After all, some even dared to turn against God, as the archangel Lucifer did and fell to earth. Okay, अब तक तो स्टोरी सही जा रही है। Gregorio Zeppeli, the father of Jairo Zeppeli, is a man who has lived his life apart from sentimentality. He never makes personal friends, never owns pets. He even avoids visiting people and going to weddings. He spends dinner with only his family. He has never even invited relatives to his house. He also does not allow any pictures to be taken. He never writes letters or keeps a journal, never gives or receives presents. It is because he believed that memories of human relationships lead to sentimentality. It was all a part of its strict regulation in order to stay clear and sharp. Sentimentality led to cracks in heart and weakness. तो सेंटिमेंट सी नहीं है तो इसने शादी क्यों करी? बस वो परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। Even when Jairo graduated from school, his father did not even attend his own son's graduation. Not only would the duty of execution fail if the spot that the sword was sunk even 0.1 mm off target, but that execution would bring the utmost pain and cruelty into this world. The root cause is the slight concern caused by sentimentality in the cracks of the heart. Gregorio had learned that from the teachings of his ancestors and through his own experience. Even when dealing with heartless criminals, failure in execution will destroy the dignity of death and will toss the honor of life to the ground. The punishment will become mere violence and dignity of the nation and the law will be hurt. Needless to say, all of this had to be passed on to Jairo, who would succeed his father in the duty of the Zeppeli family. And at the time Jairo's father was thinking of how to do this, two of their fellow prison guards' fingers had been severed. हाँ कैसे? That woman was a prisoner condemned to death who had poisoned and killed many families and children. But she was small and pale and beautiful. While she was being escorted, she started moving like a wild dog and bit off the prison guard's fingers with the power of a pump. My finger! Gyro, your steel ball, stop her! तो ये जायरो पे गई और इसने जायरो को स्टील बॉल यूज नहीं करने दी है। ये उसके ऊपर चढ़ गई बुरी तरह से और ये स्कार्फ था इसके हाथों में, जायरो के पैरों पे गिरा, उसने वो देखा और तब तक ये जायरो की चिन पे इसने अपनी एल्बो मार दी और जायरो की जो स्पिनिंग स्टील बॉल थी उसको रोक लिया हाथ को और इसके लेकिन बालों में वो बॉल चली गई। This case did not become too much of a disaster, but when Gyro's father heard of the incident, he displayed strict anger against his son, and yet it was done in a calm manner and with polite wording. This incident, my son, is an accident caused entirely by you. You are only one responsible. Gyro paused for a moment and then quietly defended himself. Only me? I was the one who calmed the woman, father. I think I was of some help. Is that so? Did you not think of her this way? The woman is beautiful and she is quite small. Or did you not think to yourself when you looked at the cell at the end of the hall? That prisoner is old and sick. This is not about failure or carelessness. I am talking about sentimentality of the heart. You must not bring that into your duty, no matter if it is a small woman or a man 2 meters tall, a condemned criminal or a pickpocket, it is all the same. Without that, you could have stopped the woman before she bit off your fellow prison guard's fingers. Shame on you. You could have avoided losing your collar hanger with the honorable crest. हैं ये देख रहा है कि अरे इसको अब पता लग रहा है कि इसके कॉल का हैंगल गया. A heart full of sentimentality is dangerous. It can set your future to eternal misery. Do not forget, my son. This is the road that the Zeppeli Kingsmen had followed throughout the ages. अच्छा तो Zeppeli भी Kingsman है. A few days passed. Morning came and Gyro was called to duty. When he arrived at the cells, another disturbance was happening. अब क्या हो रहा था भाई? और मैंने किंग्समैन इसलिए बोला क्योंकि किंग्समैन नाम की मूवी फ्रेंचाइज है, देखी नहीं तो देख लो. उससे उसका रेफरेंस मारा था. Will make you speak. And this is a needle, isn't it? Since when did you have it? Where did you get this needle? ये जो बच्चा है ये इसके लिए. तो जायरो इस बच्चे के पास गया. We don't know why a kid like you was put in here, and we haven't asked you of your crime yet. But if you don't speak, we'll show you no mercy. What were you trying to do with this needle? You must have been planning to use it as a weapon. Now the crime of jailbreak will be placed upon you. Do you have any companions? What were you planning on doing with this? तो बच्चे से पूछ रहा है एकदम गुस्से से कि तू जेल तोड़ के भाग रहा था, है? तो तेरे और कौन कौन था तेरे साथ इस प्लान में, है? अब तुझे पता है क्या सजा मिलेगी तुझे? लुक, ही वाज हाइडिंग अंडर हिज बेड. हु वाज हाइडिंग अंडर? अच्छा ये जेपली का क्रेस्ट. Oh, this crest. It's our collar hanger. Where did you find this? Now you have done it. This is an insult to our country. I made the needle out of a fish bone that was ripped off by 2 days ago by a woman. It had fallen into the drainage. I was able to pick it up through the narrow drain with my hands. So I fixed it, I'm sure. That it's some important thing. Please return it to its owner. I hope that he will like it. My father taught me that if I do my best, I'll be accepted someday. Oh, yeah. It's the job that my grandfather and even his grandfather have done. I can sew anything. I'll beat anyone at shining shoes. And I can make silverware bright and shiny. I can memorize all the names of the meals and wine. Enough, stop. It's only a fish's bone, nothing else. Back to your post. There's no problem here. Put the boy back in his cell. Is it is it your collar hanger, sir? If you don't like it, I can fix it again. I could do a better job. Stop. Don't speak to me ever again. Got it? Ever again. तो जायरो यार, जायरो को उसके पापा ने अभी भी डांट मारी है ना, तो वो करना तो नहीं चाहता पर कर रहा है. It was the morning of that day that Jairo Zeppeli heard the sentence for the boy. The decision was the crime of treason, a penalty that no one could change, and one responsible for execution was to be Jairo Zeppeli, his first official duty. First. अब ये वापस रेस पे आ गए. ज़ॉम्बी हॉर्स. जॉनी पूछता, if we miss one step, we'll fall straight down the valley. Gyro, is that thing really here in the Red Canyon? There it is. और ये क्या है? अच्छा जायरो ने बोला ना, तो जायरो को ये मार्क मिला होगा ज़ॉम्बी हॉर्स का. The zombie horse, a mural, a crappy mural of a wild horse with a wild face. तो इसने क्या किया? पिप, इसने धागा हटाया. इसने ये धागे के अंदर उंगली डाली, धागा हटाना शुरू किया. और हाँ, Johnny, do you have any wire? A pin would work too. I'll connect it to this string. हाँ, तो क्या, एक सेकेंड, पिन या वायर तो इसने लेके अपना पैर वापस सिल दिया. से hey, what the fuck do you think you are doing? Yeah, the zombie horse can heal wounds. They left this string here so I can sew with it. The string can heal up to a certain degree, at least to the point of fixing flesh that has been blown off. What kind of logic is that? You only sewed yourself up with that dirty thing. That's not going to fix you. But if it does work, you say that your father usually works in the field of medicine. Is it his technique? No, it doesn't seem like a technique. Neither does your steel ball. But this is something bigger. Something like a stand ability. No. This is a gift from the king, just as the letter said. Besides, my old man, he never writes letters. Second stage, not far from the goal. तो इसने अपना पैर सिल दिया. स्टोरी क्रेजी होती जा रही है गाइस. फिर टकीला भाई मिलेंगे थोड़े टाइम बाद फिर से अगला चैप्टर लेके. एग्जैक्टली 24 घंटे, 24 नहीं, 23.5 घंटे बाद 7:30 बजे अगली वीडियो होगी अपलोड. बाय.